So in this video, I am gonna stand corrected after 30 plus years of putting a burr on a scraper. This by Accu-Burr is the best new tool in the SedgeTool shop. So pay attention to the description, because where you can get this is from taytools.com at Taylor Toolworks. But there's also, if you want to get one of these, there's an affiliate link to take you right to the Accu-Burr at Taylor Toolworks. So the very first video that we ever did in the SedgeTool shop, it's still on the channel, I'll have a link for that in the description, is how to prepare and put a burr on a cabinet scraper. And we use this is a carbide burnisher. I've had it for 30 plus years, and I showed you, Big D, how to pull the steel out, how to turn the steel, and then how to put about a 15-degree burr on there to use as a cabinet scraper. And in that video, I showed how to prepare the scraper to get the perfect finish to put the burr on. I have never seen it so easily done. I've already prepped this other surface. Here's the burr here, and it's pretty heavy. But I just prepped this surface. You can go to the video, I'll have it in the link. And this is ready to put a burr on. So here we go. This is the Accu-Burr. You can see it's got a piece of carbide in here. I got it with the handles, but you can get it and you can make your own handles. But at the base of it, you'll see right here in the center, there's these grooves. And that one is very slight. That's a 5-degree. That right there is a 10-degree in the center. And right here's a 15-degree. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it here for now. Always remember, carbide's brittle, so you don't drop it. And I'm gonna take a lubricant I always use. You know, it's called PG 2000. Okay, and I've just put a little here, and I'm just gonna take it. You could take light machine oil and put it on there, so it's a little more fluid. Now, this is how simple as it gets. I mean, simple. It should not be this easy. Check this out. I'm gonna take it like this, and I'm gonna feel that center right there. I'm gonna put a 10-degree on it, okay? And I'm gonna hold it, and I'm gonna bring it back like this. Okay, there's one. There's two. I'm not killing it. I'm not putting a lot of pressure. There's one pass back and forth. And guess what? There's two. And I'm going to do one more. And you're going to hold it at a perfect 90. And believe it or not, that's it. And I'm going to feel that. It's an ever so slight burr. Okay, so remember what I said. I felt that burr. That's the one we did the old-fashioned way. And I'm feeling this, and it is so slight. It's ridiculous. But you're never too old to learn a new way of doing things. Check this out. I'm gonna mark this board. And remember, when using a cabinet scraper, always hold it aside and put your thumbs in there and check out the shavings. You can get these as well. It is daggone easy. Is that amazing or what? 3 swipes on there, and you got a perfect cabinet scraper. So a cabinet scraper in the SedgeTool shop is indispensable. And when I can put a burr on there that quickly and that effortlessly, you can too. So go to the affiliate link and order an Accu-Burr. Thanks, and don't forget, be positive and stay sharp. Wicked sharp.